I know a place. Ain't nobody crying.
You know how many dudes I know have met their wives overseas? And then I'm gonna tell you one dude who sold it to him real well. Richie Mack from the Zoom to Thailand channel. Because Richie Mack, the way he do his videos, he's great at promotion, the way he do things, he sold it to a lot of people. And once they really bid on that, what he was doing with Zoom to Thailand, you see now all these dudes popping up with all these travel channels and talking about going to find wives overseas. You just can't compete with that. And then the brother breaks down, Richie Mack, he breaks down how much things cost. Like I just saw a video with the brother, he had to have a CT scan. $500 in Thailand, $6,500 over here in the US. You can't compete with that.
Come on. I'm the Travel OG, and I traded in my Hollywood lifestyle for the sexy beaches of Pattaya, Thailand. We're bringing you exclusive interviews, showing you what the golf courses are like, the caddies are like, what the homies like. Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG.
Okay, party people in the house, you're about to witness something you've never witnessed before.
Can you feel it? Like we always do about this time.
Tell him that it's
Richie Mack Mix. What up, Zoom tribers and subscribers? Today, I'm going to take you on a trip with me to Hua Hin, Thailand. Hua Hin is one of the most popular holiday resorts here. Aaron found us a sexy rooftop spot at this place called Vananava Sky. It had a DJ, a 360 view of Hua Hin, and a glass ceiling you could take your shoes off and stand on. I forget the young lady's name who came with us, but she was really nice and spoke very good English. For those of you non-educated peoples, Thailand's infrastructure is solid. The land of smiles is ranked number 24 of all major economies in the world. Now, L's feet, I'm not sure where I would rank down. Tired of fighting with your girl? Tired of dealing with the same stuck-up women when you go out in the States? Tired of these fake-ass IG models begging for cash apps? Fellas, I'm here to tell you, you don't have to settle. The women in Pattaya outnumber the men 20-1 out here.
He got engaged in 17 days.
No matter your age, your race, your height, or even your weight, they don't discriminate. They don't discriminate. Think I'm lying? Zoom to Thailand with your man Richie Mack, the Travel OG. Make sure to like and subscribe to all my videos. You got questions? No problem. You balling on a budget? No problem. You scared of rejection? No problem. It's impossible to fail here. Book a consultation, become a Patreon member, make new friends, and join the family of Zoom to Thailand. Book your private consultation so I can help give you the cheat code to a stress-free life.
What's the man?
What's going on, brother?
How you doing? My name is Luis from Las Vegas.
Las Vegas in the building. What's up, Luis? What made you come to Thailand?
Oh man, I saw your channel about a year ago. I was gonna go to Colombia. I was gonna go to Brazil. I'm like, Thailand. And then next thing you know, you have L up in there. I'm like, what? I was like, yeah.
What'd you think, man? Did I exaggerate about anything?
No, not at all. Love it. So far, I've been here a week.
Oh wow, you fresh meat.
Yeah.
I see that smile in your face. You don't smile like that back home, baby.
No. It's a stressful look back home.
So happy you made it, brother, man.
Thank
Congratulations.
You.
Do I got permission to post this? All right, brother. Nice to meet you, man. Nice to meet you.
Thank you for your channel, brother.
Thank you, brother. I appreciate you, Lois. Have a good one, man.
You too. Take care.
Another satisfied customer. Man, I gotta tell you guys, man, there's no better feeling that I get than when I meet someone who was inspired to come here because of Zoom to Thailand. Everything has been happening so fast, I haven't really had a chance to take it all in. Friends and family back home tell me about the impact Zoom's had amongst free-thinking men, and even a few women. This place has been like a living paradise to me. And I wouldn't be here without my Patreon members, my subscribers, the influencers that have inspired me, and even a few haters. All praise is due to the Most High for giving me the talent to connect with the sentiments with people around the world. Shout out to my people in the UK, Australia. Shout out to my people in Germany, Toronto, Canada. Shout out to Atlanta, Detroit, my hometown of Chicago, and my grown town of LA. And to my #1 city that holds down Zoom to Thailand, I got to give it up to NYC. And of course, a special shout out to my secret weapon, L Boogie. Oh yeah. 100,000 subscriber party will be happening in July. That gives you guys 6 months to get your ish together, because we're going to do it big out here in Thailand. Patreon members get first dibs at the best hotels, then my subscribers. And after that, unless you book a personal consultation, you just going to have to figure it out, you dig? I'm looking to see all my favorite YouTubers there, from mediocre tutorials and reviews to O'Shea Duke Jackson to Philip Scott, Courtney Michelle, Chantel Simone, Fresh and Fit, Big Truck Series, The Angry Man, Filipina P, El Guapo, the lead attorney, retired working for you, CB Media, Pearly Things, Passport Heavy, Andre and Andrea Crossing Borders, Ace Live, Check and Effect, Kosher Clinician, Abba and Preach, Obsidian, Kai Jackson, Big Bass, Kibo. I mean, the list goes on. It's a party and the player-hating ninjas can't come. I tell the people, you don't get mad at me when I wake you up. You don't get mad, I can just... She don't get mad, y'all. She just let me rock out. But she do be sleeping a lot, though. Yeah, did.
แกหาอะไรไม่เจอไม่รู้อะค่ะ YouTube อะไรกันอ๋อเขาจะเอาลง YouTube เหรอคะ อ๋อ
Even the room sanitation lady can get in. This is the room cleaner. And she's single, y'all. No ring on the ring finger. You like American men? Yeah, they like you too. So why? She's so why?
สวยมาก
So why, my that's right. So that morning, we stopped at the Poke Bowl spot. Elle's never had Poke Bowl before. This ought to be interesting. Ooh, look how healthy that looks. Popcorn cob. Yeah. Get down with the Poke Bowl today. Little never had it before. She don't look too impressed. I don't know if Little like it. You like your healthy bowl? You want to try mine? Mine looks good and healthy. Yeah, oh, she making faces. Look at her shaking her feet. It's too healthy for you. Here come the shakes. Here come the shakes. Popcorn cob. So Noodle wasn't feeling, I can tell Noodle ain't really feeling the Poke Bowl. I'm about to tear mine up though. See how the shake is. Yeah, she is for the shake. Kills the healthiness throwing the sauce on top, but I gotta have my sauce. You dig? She's one of the best stirrers in the game. I like when you do the little noodle stir. Let me see. I think it's a papaya salad. That's how she do it, papaya salad. They got rice in mine. Oh, I don't need no rice. Take some of that rice out, Noodle. See the Travel OG eating healthy.
You eat healthy,
You don't want your healthy drink, Noodle? You don't like your healthy food? You need healthy for the big old legs. All right, we got two beautiful Thai ladies. It ain't hard to win out here.
Y'all don't realize, when some of y'all was celebrating and dancing on Kevin Samuel's grave, some of these brothers saw that and they say, man, hell no. If they did this to Kevin Samuel, celebrating this man's death, man, I don't want nothing to do with it.
Hey. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, I hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. I got a show where she dipping them nails. I'm flipping my L's, I know they can tell. I did it too major, they hit me for favors. Been him since the cable was cut in the cradle. What's up, only right that I do it. Colossal until I'm a boss, so they want me to fail. Look, we prevail, tell them to point out who said it, they run it. Bitch, I'm on your tail. Know that they talking, they telling them tales. Just know how to tell, that shit for the sale. Hey, they talk like they got it, but they need to stop it. I'm leading with logic, my heartbeat is frosted. I seen it, got optics, I need it from Shawty. She mean with the top and it's obvious. They need him a target, I'm dodging their darts, make him reach for the stars. I'm dumping, I'm forcing the pun off the runs. I'm moving with caution, I'm saucing my nigga is nothing. From nothing to something they'll never be. Tycooning, I'm Dre with the thizzle face. I'm nothing my section has ever seen. Run the ice so I'm clutch, I don't need a screen. I'm Curry, I spit it from 30 deep. Do the pin in the pad like a surgery. She been curving you just to flirt with me. Toolie tucked off, but the jewels out. I just in a home with a full mouth. I'm a rare breed when the moon out. I'ma stop playing by the rules now. I been ran plays, need a new route. Queen said she needs space in a new house. Mom told me that she pray for the kid every day. No wonder I'm getting paid for the tunes now. They been on their ass, bitch, I'm on the rail. I wrap it, I bag it, I pack it for sale. Got feeling on speed out, I hit me to chill. I give it a thrill, I put it on film. Niggas facade, get applaud, that ain't real. Come to my section and flex, we can tell. Niggas really all shy with it. Roll with it. Roll with it. Roll with it.
It makes sense. It just makes way too much sense. So all that trying to shame, you dating coaches, the women trying to shame these brothers, it's not going to work. You can't compete with none of it. You just can't.
Theme music.
Zoom to Thailand, hope you coming too. Richie Mac, travel OG with celebrity interviews. Get your passport, let's go. This is what you need for show. Brothers in Thailand and bikini babes at the beach. If you need more, he got it poppin'. Caddy of the day, we golfing. Really ain't a better option. Time to travel, like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's connect. Richie Mac, yeah, we steady vibing. Take a journey, let's get moving, cause we zooming right to Thailand. Hey, Richie Mac, travel OG, let's go.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and notify. The algorithm is real. Well, all right, y'all. It's time to activate your passports and get ready for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 cities, 1 island, and the time of your life. You better eat your Wheaties and get plenty of rest because this is going to be non-stop action from the time you get off the plane. Zoom Fest 2024 is made for my Zoom tribe of subscribers and Patreon members. Non-stop events, a private yacht party, a fantasy island party, dinner at the best restaurants, tiger park, temples, elephant sanctuary, celebrity golf tournament. We got the ballin' on a budget package, a no-frills package for those who just want to come and see what Thailand's about with non-stop events from start to finish. And if you can afford to step your game up to the next level, we got the Hangover Package. The Hangover Package is only for those that can go from start to finish. This package is not for the faint of heart. And finally, we have the Executive Pack. For those who like to do things in style, have the best of the best, and keep certain things private. This package is designed for people who are used to riding first class, staying at the best hotels, eating at the best restaurants, and living in the lap of luxury. Bring your friends, bring your family. Zoom Fest is for everybody with the right attitude and the right frame of mind. For more details, hit me up on the email zoomtothailand@gmail.com. This event will be held December 2024. Limited packages available, so get your deposits in and let's begin. Consultations with all details will be included in the packages. No excuses. It's time to zoom to Thailand for Zoom Fest 2024. 12 days, 11 nights, 2 cities, 1 island, and an unforgettable experience that no one's gonna believe when you get back home. Questions will be answered at zoomtothailand@gmail.com.